Hi and welcome. Uh, I'm sorry I'm starting a little bit late, but I am having some really weird problems with my editor. We will see if we will be able to solve it out. Either way, welcome today. Thank you very much for joining me today. As you see, I'm streaming from a new place again, and I'm having my iPad here. I hope it works well. Uh, yeah, what happened, and we can talk about it a little bit later, but what we did is that last time we were building a game. I mean, I call it a game, but it's not very much game, is it? Right? So what we did is that we built this thing. So by the way, this is live. I published the code we've done the last time. It's not much. The code is basically where is that? This thing. It's 50 lines of code. What it does, we have this app. These are a lot of underscores. So you play a Hangman app. When you try to guess letters, like you try to guess M or A or something like that, you will reveal the word, and you will see how you do, if you will win or whatever. As you probably figured, the Hangman word is ReasonML. That's funny, right? I assume. We don't have anything to restart it. We don't have anything to, I don't know, get new words, or at least like anything. And as you see, I use this input for getting the keystrokes. We didn't figure out how to like listen to the key press on the page, but maybe we can do it better next time. Today, well, I'm not sure exactly what I want to do. I would probably want to work with this example and make it a little bit better. My idea was that we are using here an older version of Reason and ReasonML. Sorry, Reason and ReasonReact, and we can try to update and see if it's better. I also saw this really nice article, which, very funny enough, was announced as deprecated because something was changed later on. I'm not sure exactly what was that, but I thought it would be nice to see how routing works in ReasonReact, because that's one thing I haven't tried, and I would like to see that. Yeah, at any time, please write to the chat. I will read it here. If you have any comments, if you have any suggestions, and especially if you know how to help with the thing I'm struggling, and I will be struggling with things. I have been, and I think that's it's not easy to create things. What I'm struggling right now is that I set up my editor and everything, and yeah, I'm having problems with Nuclide for some reason. This is a different error than I had. The biggest problem here is that my file tree view disappeared. So I will try to restart Atom one more time, and I will see what happens. Okay. I just discovered that I have this. Okay, my bad. So, yeah, this is the problem I'm having. Sorry, I just discovered that you weren't looking at what I was looking. My bad. I'm so sorry. Yeah, so we're doing Reason. This is the app we've written. This is the code I published, so you can see what I did, and I will be publishing things we do today here as well. And this is the game. I will show it again. It's not a game. It's basically just a Hangman. You write things, right? And it's Reason. You can't do anything else much after that. You can do it again and try to guess. We don't count number of guesses. We don't count anything. We don't get any new words. Maybe this is something I would like to work on. Just to compare, and I showed the last time, is that 2 years ago or something like that. Oh yeah, 2 years ago, I created this game as one of the things I did first in Elm. It's a Hangman game. Okay, here I don't know where that is. Okay, it was references. So you see now in this thing. I mean, first it's styled. Yeah, that's a small thing, but we can get into that. It takes words from some API. It tracks a number of attempts, and if you win, we can try to win, right? Okay. Winning is difficult in this game. So if you win, and what you can do is you can win pretty easily because, as I said, it gets the data from some API, and if you get the response, oh, okay, let this see. Maybe HOPS, yeah, and I'm a winner. So this thing works. This is something I would like to get to from this to something like this, maybe today. We will see. Another thing I wanted to try, as I said, is the routing. If you join now, you might know that I'm having, I'm having this problem with my editor. I love my editor. I don't want to get another editor right now. So the problem I have, I mean, everything seems to be working except I don't get the file tree, which is pretty annoying, right? And I asked that I don't see. Seems that I'm not able to even do that. I'm not sure. Like yeah, I can. I guess we can live with that. I can still change files here, and you will see it. Here on the top, you can see the files I'm at, so I don't think it's going to be a problem. Yeah. Oh, I see it now. Okay, this is going to be worse because the whole nuclei didn't load, and we don't get. Oh my god, yeah. Syntax highlighting. This is annoying. Yeah. So you see, never ever do updates just before you want to show something. Yeah. Yeah. Right. That indeed is. Right. Interesting. It's not even okay. It's not loaded. Yeah. This is gonna be very fun then, I guess. If someone knows what's happening, just let me know. Oh yeah, we can do it like this. Maybe this, I guess. Yeah. Yeah, so now we are kind of where we are used to be. It's not great now, but we will see. So what I did last time is that I created this. I'm using this reducer component. Okay, I'm not sure I can use it without the syntax highlighting. Yeah, I did that. It kind of works like I don't have to disable it and then restart. It's not enabled because there's a problem. I will do one thing I haven't done in a long time. I will go and install VS Code and get the. Okay, I will do that. You see how an editor can fail in real time. So I will do this. I was speaking with. Oh yeah, I haven't said that. Sorry. Excuse me. Okay, it's unloading. It should be fast. I was in Helsinki this weekend actually, and the last weekend at React Finland, and I want to talk about that a bit now because I was speaking with Nick and some other people there who do a Reason all the time, like every day in production. Let's call it like that. And we talked about many things, and one of them was that most Reason developers do use VS Code for some reason, which was a little bit surprise for me. And there's like a special plugin, let's call it like that. Okay, we have it here, very cool. Oh, okay. I probably should have put it into. Oh, very cool. Very interesting. Yeah. And you say you should download. Oh yeah, Shimmy. Yeah, that's exactly what we try to do. No, we don't want to do that. I want to include. Oh, I don't know what to do now. Okay. Oh, interesting. Reason. Oh, Camel and Reason IDE. I guess that's what I want. It's installing. Okay. Okay. Oh yeah. So far so good, I would say. Now let me switch things here. So about here, right? What? Oh my god, what did I do? I'm stupid, sorry. Did I just confuse my terminal and the editor? Yes, I did. Okay, that's much better here, right? So, sorry, Atom, goodbye. So what do we have here? We have it here. I don't know if I have to do something else. How do I open folder? Okay. Projects. Reason and Reason Hangman. Open. Interesting. That is working. And if I open FRE, it is okay. It's super small. Let me figure out how I can font size. Okay. Yeah. Control plus. No. Oh, okay. Is it bigger now? How did I do that? Oh, I did that. Okay, now it's too big. This is good. This is okay. I think we can do this. And oh, okay. And then okay, we can do that. I think it's okay. I wonder how I can file tree. No. Okay, whatever. I wanted to toggle full screen. Okay, yeah. Sorry. Just embarrassing. This is just embarrassing. I wanted to hide the. Oh, toggle sidebar. Is that what I want? Yes. What was that? Control B. Control B. Oh yeah. Okay. Cool. That actually works. I like that. Yeah, we have everything going. Oh my god. It only took me how much was that? 10 minutes. Okay, or maybe more. Right. Now we can finally get into coding. So as I said, we have an app, right? We have an app running. Oh yeah, it opened in my other. Okay, that wasn't very smart. So we have the thing. It's there. It works. Yeah, we have this. that was difficult. Yeah. So one thing I would like to try now is that I would like to see what it means to have an upgraded version, like right now, and we can see that in package.json, I assume we are using ReasonReact 0.34, and we're using Reason something. Nope. That's actually interesting. Is it because I'm using the Create React app, the Create Reason app? I don't know. I honestly don't know. Oh, React. No, React. That's okay. I think the Reason React it's different, right? So let me see that. We are here, then we have ReasonReact. I never did this. I've never done this. I want to see what it means. And the newest version is something. Okay. I guess. Oh, what did I? No, that's not what I wanted. This is definitely not what I wanted. I wanted to release this. Okay. Oh, I see that. 04.1. It's 2 days ago. Oh yeah, 5 days ago is just exactly before Nick was having presentation. But yeah, I mean there were not many different things that were different. one thing that really annoyed me, and that's changed, is this. String to element is now just reason string or text, something like that, kind of like that. Oh yeah, exactly. Sorry, yeah, that's exactly what I did. Maybe I did something else. We also use. I'm not sure if we used that. Yeah, is that we had the self.send and there was self.reduce, and I'm not sure. Oh yeah, okay. So we use the send already. That's cool. That's cool. Okay. Either way, I want to upgrade. I would like to see how. Again, oh sorry, I'm not sure if I mentioned that. I'm learning this language. I mean, this is the third time I'm writing in ReasonML. I did speak about that, but I never written that except for the 2 recordings you saw. I didn't touch the code in between, so this is the first time I'm running Reason since the last stream. Just so you know, that means I don't know things, and I want to discover them with you, kind of. It's on the title. I'm not sure what you mean. It's on the title. Is there a, like, okay? I hope there would be like some upgrade. No, there's no upgrade. That's not good. That's not good. Maybe documentation. Okay, I guess we can just. Oh yeah, stream title. Okay, yeah. I'm not sure if people read that. That's true. You are right. Let me just update that, right? I mean, let's see what happens. So I'm saving this file. I'm running yarn. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Yes. Yeah. I didn't see that. Oh, nice. Okay. So now it's installed. We can quickly try to run it, and we will see if it works. Okay. What was it? What was it? It works. Does it work? Okay. Server is disconnected. Oh yeah. Okay. So it works. Okay. Yeah. This is not how you can do that. This is not what you can do. So apparently, yeah. Okay. I don't want to. What? No. Why am I in like a Vim now? Okay. I have a lot of. Okay, warning. Okay. Oh yeah, that's actually good, right? I mean, we are in. Is this my files? Yeah, source index, but here it talks about camel things. Oh yeah, but okay, we can try that. Yeah. Yeah, it can be reason script. Oh, that's a good one. We can check if there is a new version of reason scripts. I don't know. By the way, yeah, we have this BS config, right? Yeah, that's like, maybe I need this newer. I don't know. I just don't know. Okay, so releases. That is very helpful. I will do one thing. Upgrade to version 4. Updates. No, that's this is the only thing I don't like about Reason, and it's super difficult to Google it because it just has so many. Like, it's a normal word, right? And it's a proper verb, by the way. And yeah, I don't know. Oh, maybe I shouldn't have done that actually, to be honest. Yeah, okay, I don't want to do that. PS platform, no. It doesn't help me much. That is interesting. It doesn't say how can I upgrade and what I need. Let me quickly go here. I mean, maybe is this still a problem? Is BS platform? Do I need to like update the BS platform? That's maybe a good one, right? Because BS is the buckle script, which I assume is somewhere. Oh, it's a dependency of reason script. Now it's getting a little bit confusing, right? A reason. Okay. Get a new version for C and buckle script 2. Yeah. Okay. Thank you very much. That's so we have the latest. That's interesting. Okay. I'm going back because this is just not worth it right now. But I tell you, I will try to find out what it means and how I can upgrade it, because I would like to use the newest thing. Not because there's something extra interesting, but because I want to know how to do it for the next time. Okay. We are really doing a lot of things today, I guess. Okay, we have it. Come on, work. Yeah. Okay, we are back where we were. We get warnings. We didn't get warnings before. And we get warnings in things that are from reason, like from PS Chess. That's just strange. I will ignore it for now. But again, another WTF thing I didn't have before. I think I did have this error before, and I did something and it went away, and now I introduced it again. Whatever. I don't want to see that. I don't want to do that. I don't want to think about that. What I want to do, I want to work on the things. So what I want to do next is that, again, I said we were not counting how many attempts you had. So I wanted to limit to, I don't know, 5 or 6 attempts. So if it means if you write a letter and it's not in the word, then you count it as an attempt. I mean, you have 5 attempts. If you miss word, we decrease it by 1. And if number of attempts is 0, you lost. If, on the other hand, you have the full word, you won. And I want to implement this logic now. Again, as you can see, we have this word built in. It's not getting from anywhere, so it's still the same word. And we will see if we will be able to get more words. I'm not saying I will do the HTTP request, even though that would be super cool. But maybe I can just have like a list of words, and it will at least get the next one or a random one or something like that. It would be cool. And then again, we can improve it in the next stream or in the next session. So what we need to have now is that I have a word. I have the guesses, which is a set of characters, a set of cards. When you guess a letter, we add it to this set. What we need now, that is very interesting, right? So where do we save attempts? Because kind of we can get it from these 2 words, right? I mean, I have number of I know how many characters I guessed, and Do I know how many of them are used? No, I do not, right? That is actually interesting. So what I do here is that I have the hidden word and I go through it. What I can do is that I can somehow count how many times there's a thing inside which is not in the word. Huh. That's not very fun, is it? Maybe there's a better way how to do that. But it can be computed. That's why I don't want to do it like anyhow else. I mean, if it can be taken from the state, you shouldn't save it in the state, I assume. So what I can do? Let me look at the documentation at the set. We did it last time, and it was a little bit pain in the. It was a pain. So oh no, it was a set for OCaml. Maybe I will still have it somewhere in the. Yeah, I have it in. We did that. Yeah. So we have a union that's actually good. We can remove things, but when we have a union, we can have a difference. Is that what I want? I think that's what I want, right? So I will have these. I can create a set from the word, and then I can say what is different. But that depends, right? But hopefully there would be these kind of things. Yeah, this isn't what I want. I guess I don't know. So we had problem with the documentation the last time as well. I would like to see a documentation of all of those methods that we saw before, and see what is possible. Yeah, so I have to do like something like up here, and then I can go to set. Cool. Let's see here. Oh my, I hate this. I really hate this. With set make. Oh yeah, that's what I have here. They have union. They have the difference between these two. So I assume that that's what I want to do. I guess that's what I want to do. I can even set if it's a subset. And that's what maybe later. So first thing I do here. I have to do it in the render method, right? So we have this word, we have it here. So I will write it somewhere here. And what I want to have is set of let's call it cars in word. And now what we want to do is we want to take this word from state.word and transform it to car. It's gonna be actually interesting because I don't know how to do that again. So I can add things that is possible. So I can reduce over the array. Oh yeah, length of set is okay, but the things can repeat, so I need to make it unique, and for that I want to have the set, and then I can compare. No, I still can't compare. So I can add one by one, but can I like have it? Oh, these comparisons are so difficult. I mean, I remember in Elm it was so easy to take like to have a string, move it to a list, and then make a set from list. But this seems to be more difficult. Choose split. No, off list. Oh, that's it. Create a set from a list of elements. Yes, okay. It's more efficient than folding add. Yes, that's what we wanted to do. Okay, very cool. Now what we need, okay, is that we need to find out how to put the word to list. Okay. But that's good. That's good. We can see it's a string, and I wanted to have a list. Nope. No. Oh, it would be too easy, right? Wouldn't it? I want to have the characters. I want to have all the characters in a string as a list. Why is that so difficult here? Yeah, very cool. Okay, I'm googling that now. Not here. ReasonML string to list. Oh yeah, list and array. That's cool. Yeah, we have lists. Maybe we'll see. Okay, I can spread. Can I spread a string? Probably not. Nope. No, that doesn't. Well, no. No. What? Why no? No. List and array. So yeah. So I really like Alex's blog, and he writes nice things. Yeah. List, yes. List labels, no. I want to have a string to list. It should be easy. Come on. Oh. Okay, yeah. This is for concatenating lists. Creating. Okay. That's not what we want. Still no. List. No. List labels. No, I'm not even sure what it means. No. Oh, converting. Okay. Oh, I can do this. No, what is this? What, no. Oh, it just creates that, right? What is next? No. Int of string. I don't want to do that. No. String split. Okay. We can see that. Split. Oh, there's no split. Oh, is the difference between string and the str? Str. No, string. Oh, what? Okay, that's actually it. Interesting. I mean, maybe it's not it, but it could be it. Regex, no. What was it? Split. Okay. For instance, split. Okay. Yeah. Okay. That was very cool. Thank you. Oh, nothing happened now. What was that? I don't care. Splits S into substrings, taking the limiters. I want like an empty string. Do I still have to? Okay. We will see. So by the way, this is a OCaml syntax. I have to transform that. I hate that, but that should be still. So it's star e dot split. And this would be they dot word. And the regex is like this thing. We will see. So if I I save it and it doesn't compile. This is the problem I saw there, is that it's difficult to get anything from here. I usually prefer to look into the here and I get more information. Line 27. Of course, yeah. I might be missing a bracket, or I might be missing semicolon. Oh yeah, this is VS Code. You see that? I'm right here. I press end bracket, and it just uses the one I had there. That's not what I wanted. VS Code. Oh, still okay. Still more problems. Is there? Yeah. Consider adding. I did add a one. Off list string split. Oh, interesting. I didn't see that one. Now we have it. Unbound module. Are you trying to use a standard library SRE? Yes. If you compile into JavaScript, use JSRE instead. Module file str can be found. Yeah, that's exactly what you said, right? Yeah, that is fun. So if I understand right, and I hope I do, there's this standard library str, which for some reason is not supported when transpiling OCaml via BackleScript to JavaScript, and it says use js.re, but that only works for regular expressions, preferably. Oh yeah, thank you, Martin. Yeah, I heard about that extension where you can have different colors for brackets, and if you know what it is, you can send me the name. I can install that. But right now, this has been my experience with Reason so far. So you hit things. Right now, I kind of want to have like a simple thing. I mean, maybe it's not simple. I don't know. But I want to turn a string to a set of characters, so I can compare it with another set and see if things are different or the same. And everything seems to be working up till this point where str is not possible. So what we can do is again Google a bit. And we can Google here when we have it already open. And we do yes. Oh yeah, a collection of simple. Well, oh, there's a JS.string. Have you seen that? I'm not sure what it does, but I just saw JS.string. So you want to do split. There's just js.string.split. But it's node specific. Does it mean I can't use it? Can I use it in web? That is very, 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 very weird. But there's this js.string. Maybe that's something I can use. But it creates an array. I don't want to have an array. I want to have a list. But at this point, I don't even care. js.string. Is there documentation for this? Interop. That sounds like something that we remotely want. Just dumping JavaScript in the middle of your Reason code. Well, we can try that. I would be a little bit let down if we had to do that. Yeah, I kind of don't want to do that. Yeah, raw. As a mutable fixed length list. Oh. A list is a mutable functional style linked list. Okay, yeah. Okay, I can do array of list and array to list. Oh yeah, thank you. Crying would do. I will not cry on the live stream. I will cry a bit later. But this seems to be like a really hacky way how to do that. But we can try that. I want to see that. I don't know. So if I'm, well, first thing I can try is that I will use js dot string dot split. I don't remember what was the next thing to do. Yeah, that's very cool. Oh yeah, it was in the cookbook. Parse query string. Maybe that would be interesting. Okay, that seems okay. So we just have to remove it. It works like a JavaScript one. This is okay, and now we save it and we get an error because we have array. So now we have to do is to array to list. I think so, and it's becoming a little bit long, and now it's unused. It's okay. Let me. Oh, we found a bug for you. Oh, what was that? We found a bug for you. This has type list of JS strings. Of course. Yeah. So yeah. So of course, I mean, when I split a string, it doesn't know I split it into characters because char is a special type in Reason, and it doesn't know that. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say. I expected it to be much easier. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. I am a bit lost right now. The things don't let me do that. Of course they don't, right? That's wrong. Wait, this could have been written a little bit nicer. We can do that later when it actually works. Off list, to list. Okay, so there's no way. Take a string. Can we at least iterate through the string? It should be possible, right? What will we have next here? Split now. Okay, so this thing doesn't work there, so I'm not even looking up to that. But string is there. The string has something we can use, something, anything. I mean, come on. String manipulation should be easy. So I can get length, yeah. Create, make, copy, stop, fill, no, iter. So okay, so this is like, it seems okay. So I have map, that's okay. So here does it's map I don't want that. But there's fault, right? I think that is there a fault? There's a fault? What? So what this basically forces me to do, which I don't want to do. Yeah, I don't want to change the set. I don't think that makes sense. What I can see here is that I can use iteration and then do, which I don't want to do, but I could do. I can like the mutable thing and just add it there, right? I will want to do that. What was the other thing? Convert string to char. That's well, I think we do it somewhere, don't we? Right? We find yeah, we do this. Okay, so I'm not sure if it's better to. The thing is here is that it's not just string, it's js.string, which I'm not sure what it means, and I'm not sure if I can convert it to normal string easily. But yeah, the idea would be that we can like get the first letter or character from the thing. So one thing I have here is that can I transform JS string t to string okay, I will assume that you can do that. Yeah, I will try this. I will try this. I'm not sure what it means. We have array. I don't know how to iterate through array. I would say it's array.map, but please let me see that array map. Cool. That's cool. That is cool. That is cool. And now it's. I mean, I can't read it. I will rewrite it with. So I have stay word, and then I hope it's like this, like it's a pipe operator, hopefully. And then the result will go to array to list, and then the result will go here. I'm not sure if that's how it's written. I hope it is. Is it the same? We found a bug for yeah, cool. Thank you very much. Consider okay. Yeah, so I think we should have a. Yeah. Okay. I assume it's okay. And here I can do array map. What I get is I get how to call it? I don't know. I will call it C, and I want to return C dot 0. Oh yeah, this expression has type array string to array car. That's exactly what I want. But an expression was expected a list of. Yeah, so now we need to convert JS string to string. That's exactly what I was looking here, right? Strings are strings. No, they are not. String. No, but okay. JS dot string dot t to string. Yeah, I already looked at that. JS dot string. Okay. Oh, there's a buckle script API. I didn't know that. You can mix and match the string operations in both standard libraries. That's not what we find out. JSString.get. Okay. So now I found this module. I haven't been to the documentation, and you tell me I can do get. Oh, very cool. Is it get or har at? Just so we know. Returns as a string given index number. Gets a character at index n. What is the difference? It seems to be the same thing. It's like you just switched, right? Okay. So I will call it get. String dot get. What was first? Yeah. First is C, then it's 0. Save. Woohoo! This expression has type array JS string t to array JS string t. I okay. We. Yeah. Yeah. That didn't help us to get it. Like we still are stuck because we have it in JS string. I mean, this is better because it's string, but it doesn't help us, right? Does it have like two string? No. Okay. Well, no. From shortcode. No, that's exactly what is make. Is no. But it says type t equals string. Why doesn't it work? It should work. Like it should be the same thing. Well, okay. So you say we just use string.get. One second. This expression has type array string. Oh, okay. Array char. But an expression was expected of type list. What? Is it the same? Oh, okay, my bad. Okay. Is this seriously? Is it? Oh my god. Are we? Oh. Okay, we did it. Okay, there was some black magic. That sure was some black magic. Okay. Thank you very much. Why you black? Like exported? I don't know who that is, but thank you very much. That was a good one. That was a good one. Okay, this was some magic. Now completely lost where we were. But I think, oh yeah, we have the characters that are in the word. We have characters which were guessed, and we want to see the difference, especially the difference, like just a number, like the length of the difference, right? So what we can say is that we can call it, let's call it wrong or missed, I don't know, wrong guesses. And that is somehow so we have the div, which we will see what is the first thing, right? But we have the car stat dot div, and then we have, we will see car set and oh no, state dot guesses and cars in word, and we can do it like we can do length, right? I hope I write it right. No, I wrote something wrong. Length is okay. It's not length. It's a size. No. Cardinal. Is it what I think it is? I hate this documentation. I really hate this documentation. Let me go here. Do I have set? Then I have to go to setMake because it's create a module, and here I have cardinal. Return the number of elephants. Yeah, of course. Yeah, that's what we want. Save. I can't see anything in this error message, so let's go here. Oh, it's about the semicolon, right? Damn semicolons. Oh yeah, we have it. That's cool. Just a warning. And now we can at least write this somewhere. Okay. So we can call it. I mean, I don't care about the namings, right? So I do h3, h3. Later I will do that weird thing with ReasonReact, blah 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 blah. Okay, I will do it now. So I will just copy this link, and I want to say guesses remaining colon, and then I do plus plus, and then I can do str of int or string of int. String of int, and that's wrong guesses. Okay, so now I'm okay. I know this is remaining. We can like subtract it. So okay, but let's. I know this is a wrong number right now, but that's just one thing we will see soon. Okay, guesses remaining. So now I'm pressing R, and that's 0. I'm pressing P, and it's 1. Okay, okay. So we are getting actually things we didn't guess. That's very cool. When I press L, it's there. When I press Q, we increase that. That's cool. Yes, yes, finally. Okay. So I will have. Let me create a new variable. So I don't remember the exact naming. So I will just go here and look for things how they are named. It's remaining attempts. Okay, whatever. Let remaining. And that would be some fixed number, 6 minus wrong guesses, and then I do remaining. I don't have a formatter for VS Code. How is it possible? Damn semicolon. Why don't I have the formatter? Yeah, very cool. We moved somewhere. This is not it. This is not it. We are here, right? Again, I write R. It's there. I write P, and I have one less. The problem with this thing right now is that if I am really bad, I can I can get to -1, or even worse, whatever. Yeah, we want to stop that, right? So how do we want to do that? So we will have this number. By the way, does it? No. We still don't have the winning condition, but it's okay. We can say that if this is 0, you lost, like totally lost. That's okay. Winning is different though. Winning means that this hidden word is equal to the word, right? Let me think about that. Yeah, okay. Let me quickly see if I can do settings. Oh, very cool. I want reason. Okay, I'm not sure I like VS Code, but let's not touch it. I mean, it's okay. The code is kind of nice. Where were we? I propose to say that if a hidden word is equal to the word, it means that all the letters were like guessed, and it means you won because you have everything there. Yeah, I think that could be okay. It's a string, yeah. Okay. So what I'm kind of want to do is I want to create a new type, which would be state, or like not state, like it's either win or guess or lost, right? This is is like what I want to say next, and depending on that, I will show something here. So it's like how's it called? A text union type with something like I do here with the action, right? Okay, I need to think about this. So I have these three distinct scenarios. So then, yeah, I should definitely create a type, and then somehow, based on these, I can do that. I think I can do that. Let me at least we can try that, right? So I will call it type. I'm not sure to name it. Game. Should it be capital G? I kind of like that, but I'm not sure what is like the thing here, if people use it or not. I don't know. And then we say it's win or it's lose. What is this? Lost. And the other thing is guess. This is what we have. When I have all of those, what I can say is that I will create a new variable, and it's called, how we call it? Progress, yeah. Which is type of game progress. Okay, it seems I can do that. And that will be a block. And it's basically saying if so what is the first thing? Yeah, so if remaining is 0, it's lost. I'm not sure what is the correct formatting here, so I will write it like this. Like win, yeah, win. Else if hidden word is exactly state word, it's win. And else it's guess. Yeah, I think this is okay. I'm saving it to see if I have an error, and I do have an error. They found a bug for me. No. No, I wasn't that. Still, okay, line 18. Oh, I didn't put that. Okay, I don't write semicolons in my JavaScript either, so it's just confusing for me. Line 13. It's complaining about something, what? Type name must start with a lowercase. Okay. That is new from Flow, which I usually write in. Okay, now we have it, and it's... Oh, no, we have a collision. Okay, I see that. I see that. That's wrong. It's okay. It's okay. I will just rename it like this. I know it's not great. It is definitely not great, but we get it work, and then we can rename things when they are better. The thing is, we don't use this right now. So what we want to do is we want to use the switch statement like we do here, and then based on that we I mean, so the thing is that I don't want to allow people to add more, so it can be somehow on this level, I assume. Okay, I think we can do that. So switch on progress. What was the... interesting. So I do it like this, and then I write lost. And I should be able to have reasons to... you lost. Later we can add like add a new word or something like that, but for now it's okay. The great thing is, if I save it now, yeah, guessing, is that I will get an error, and this is a cool thing. That's why we do it, right? Is that it says, no, it's something else. I was hoping it will tell me it's a problem, right? I can't do. I was thinking this will just warn me because I don't have all the types here, but it's just saying I'm using oh, do I have to wrap it in a, like in this thing? Oh yeah, that's it. That's exactly it. That's very cool. That's what I wanted to have. So it's saying, and I love that, that I'm even knows which two examples or which two cases I forgot about. So I mean that's exactly the thing we really love about that. So if it's a win, we basically do kind of the same thing. It will be kind of the same. Yeah, you won. And the last case, which is the one we have, is guessing. Let me copy that. So if I do guessing, it's basically this whole thing. I'm not sure if I have to do this block now. Now the problem is that I have two things in there. Okay, we thought the formatter is becoming pretty annoying, and I'm not sure if I can already use these empty fragments, and I can't. So whatever, I will just wrap it in a div that should do the trick. And now the formatter would be really handy, like really handy. Maybe I don't have to like wrap it in that. I don't know. No work to do. Okay. Line 76. Okay. Here. Oh, why do I have? What is no? God. Syntax errors. Yeah, that's very helpful. That's why the formatter would be so useful, because it would show me things. I have this div. I have it here. This. Oh yeah, I need this thing. Save. Very cool. I really hate this. I mean, I'm sorry, but I do really hate how it looks. So this is the, yeah, this is for the switch. So it should be on this level, and everything which is here should be nested. Yeah, and I think it should be even like this. Okay, this is okay. This is reasonable. It's reasonable. F. Let me try that. If it deletes that, I will hate you. Shift Option F. Oh, no, it's searching. Oh Option. Okay, my bad. I don't want to search. Okay, how do I don't want to search now, please. How do I get bad? Okay. Option is Alt Shift F. No, I'm not sure. No, it's not. Alt Shift F. I guess it worked, right? It worked. Did it work? Yes, it is. Okay, cool. It's formatted. I love that. Thank you very much. Yeah, bro, but it works. So what do we have now? Is that I have guesses remaining. If I'm pretty bad, okay, I don't want to do that. And I. Oh yes, and oh yeah, I can lose. That's cool. I lost. I can't guess anymore. If I reload it, and I will kind of ML. I won. Yes, so much cool. Oh my god, yes. How long did it take us? Just 1 hour. That's okay. Yeah. Okay. Let me do one very important thing, and that is, I don't know why the yarn lock changed. Naming things and naming comments, that's so difficult. So it's a feature, and it's show if lost or won, whatever. I mean, go. Ah, it's cool. If you want to immediately get it, you can get it. It's beautiful. So I kind of like that. Let me go through that. So what we did, like, this was a nightmare. Like, I mean, to be honest, I still don't like it. It should be much easier. And we are using this kind of hack. I don't like that. The same with these. Like, we just map things kind of weirdly, but it's okay. I think it's like, okay, we did that. This was okay. This was so easy then. I mean, because we use the char set, we use the set, we have the diff method, then we have land, which is called cardinal. So just because to confuse people, I assume. Then we can have this. I mean, this could have been constant somewhere on the top, but whatever, we can. It's not important for now. You also see that the reformatter removes new space, and I do not like it. I mean, I would love to have a new space here, but immediately when I do format, it removes that, and that's just one thing I don't like that, and I said it many times. Here is that I can say s equals this, and then I can use, instead of all this, I can use s, and here I can also use s, and oh, it's just like, maybe I should have a find and replace. If you are formatting on save, press Shift, Control, Alt, Command equal. Okay, I mean, I'm not sure how many fingers I have. Or copy this editor format on save to on the right side. I will copy that. And right side means what? Is it like what? This on the right side, what? Do I do it like here in the settings? Oh, I assume so. Let me just edit into, oh, okay. Good one. Yes, but I want save. And now I save. Oh, it works. Thank you very much. Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you. Let's go back to that. So we have, but thank you very much. Now I have to write it again. Then I can write s new word. Save. Is this? What just happened? That's not what it should do, right? Should it do that? Okay, I have to put these braces around it. Oh, I don't have the start. So I have this. Let's see what we have there right now. Come on, work. Still loading. Oh, the shortcut was for the settings. I see. Okay, thank you. Okay, that's cool. So I have new word. I can press it. That's cool. It doesn't do anything now. Which is another thing. Like, I mean, is it on click, or how do you do the handlers? I kind of forgot. I think I saw it somewhere. We did it last time, right? But I did definitely forget about that. So what I want to do? Okay, I can close these. ReasonReact. Let's see the documentation. I still think the documentation should be great. And okay. Button. I will search for I don't want that. Did I click on that? When I press enter, it just goes to the first one. I don't want that. Okay, I will say, is this I forgot how we okay. Is it the same as with the input? I think it would be the same one, right? So I will call it on click. like this. Okay. It's whatever. I don't care about that. I'm not sure if it's if it's an ever. I got some guesses. I click new word and it's removed. Yes. Also, the guests remaining are also set up back because yes, that's how it works. I really like it. Everything is different from the state. I do like that. I really like that. And if I want it, oh yeah, one thing I don't like is that why is this not formatted the same way as this? Is it because this is long and this is short? Yes, so right. And I can also change the word right here. I know that this will be the same word every time, but I can call it yeah, I will call it Twitch because that's what I'm at. I now believe this should have been on new lines, and I don't like it doesn't do it automatically when I save. Okay, this is weird. Why doesn't it? Oh, is it complaining about something? It's complaining. I didn't know that. Okay, cool. What is it complaining about? What? 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 Oh. Oh yeah, it's this is a little bit annoying. So it's complaining that I have this state here and I don't need it. But I mean, this is future proof, right? Okay, now it's there. Yeah, I don't care about this. So I'm writing that and I say, oh yeah, it's ReasonML. I won. Okay, this is not nice, but whatever. New word. What is this one? It could have been reason. No, it's not. Oh no, I'm losing, man. Okay. New word. Does it have W? Oh, it has W T. Yes, two T's. I N. Oh no, it's not N. It's Twitch. Yes, I won again. Okay, I do really like that. I really like that. Right. I would like we can do some styling now, which I'm not super sure is important. What is a bit interesting? Oh yeah, this is just string, so it's not a div or anything. That could have been an H. It can be H3, right? Can I do it like this? I kind of don't know if I can do it like this. Save. Oh no, okay, my bad. Now I can save it. And it's a problem. I mean, this is something I'm not exactly sure why I have to wrap it in the brackets. But it seems that's the thing, right? Why does it have to be wrapped twice? That's actually interesting. I don't know that. I don't know that. So one thing I can do is that I have this app CSS and I have the file browser, which, okay, what did I do? Okay, here. I can go to app CSS. This is something we didn't use at all, but I can do H1, which I think was the thing, and I can do letter spacing. Yes, exactly, and I can make it 0.3 em. Save, reload. Oh, it's cool. Oh, that's what I wanted. It's in app. Okay, I didn't know that. Okay. H1 letter spacing. Maybe it was too big. 0.2 em. Save. Oh, it's not formatting. Why is it formatted? And we have it now. It's much nicer. Okay. I do like that really much. You won. Okay, this could have been like styled differently, whatever. I press new word. There's a new word. Yeah, okay. One thing is that I still have the problem. I have to click on the input to get it running. That's a bit annoying. That would be the next thing I would like to figure out, is that how to read key press somehow globally. If that even makes sense, I'm not sure if it makes sense. Like on the div, can I do that? Or like on the body? That would be the next thing I would like to do. Yeah. Right. But other than that, I'm pretty happy with. Well, not pretty happy. Let's be honest. I will not call it pretty happy. I will call it happy. So I think we did a great progress today. I learned a lot. I'm not sure I'm super excited about that, but we moved on. We have a progress. Now it's a game. It's a game you can win. It's a game where you can lose. That's great. So it's an actual game. I kind of like that. You can get new words. You have guesses. Everything's there. I like that. So the next thing I want to do is I want to get random words. Maybe from the beginning. I'm not sure if we can start. Maybe let's not skip things. The next thing I will do is that I will connect to an API, get a random word, and show it, and it will be there. That's exactly what I want to do, and that's what we are going to do next, because that makes the game. After that, we can quickly look if it's possible to listen on body events or something like that. If it's possible to remove that input field, if that's okay, and then we can try some styling. I mean, I want the styling not because I think it's important. I think that we did the most work, but I want to see how it actually works in a real world application. So I would like to do some small styling just so it looks okayish, and then we can publish it, and we have a game, and then we can look for a new project. So thank you very much for joining me today. If you have any comments, I always welcome them. If you watch this as in a recording, because everything I do here will be put into recordings on YouTube, and you can rewatch it later. Write your comments there. I do watch it, I do respond, and I want to learn new things. That's why I'm doing this as well. I hope you learned something, and see you next time, guys and girls. Everybody is welcome here.